हेलो बच्चों। हाँ जी हरजोत, गुड मॉर्निंग जी। एक्चुअली आज some problem with my system. I don't know why. I got some late today. I was trying to troubleshoot that. हेलो जी रानी। हमारा आज का 20 मिनट 10 मिनट 20 मिनट फिनिश हो चुका है। चलो कोई बात नहीं, आज फिजिकल वर्ल्ड वर्ल्ड का बस थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं। कल से इसको ज़्यादा अच्छे से कर पाएंगे हम लोग। आज तो हमारा टाइम ख़राब हो गया है ना। आप लोग वेट किए, इसके लिए धन्यवाद आप लोगों को। कौन कौन लोग आ गए आप लोग? हरजोत, अंजलि, रानी, अंकित, ओके कुशाग्र। चलो, तो जैसा कि हम लोगों को पता है कि फिजिक्स क्या है, एक ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस जहाँ पे हम लोग नेचुरल फेनोमेना की स्टडी करते हैं। ओके, एंड द वर्ड फिजिक्स, फिजिक्स वर्ड का मतलब होता है नेचर। इन ग्रीक वर्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ फिजिक्स इज नेचर। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई in the physics we study about the natural phenomena. This physics means nature, and in this we study about natural phenomena, whatever like gravitation or rainbow, you know, the various color of that rainbow, that is a physical phenomena, no. And even we study about interaction between molecules and optics. Different fields are there. Like if we study about natural forces like electromagnetic forces or gravitational forces, or the forces between the molecules like between the electrons and protons, all are coming under the physics because all are natural phenomena. So if you try to sum up the physical world, like it is not only for the uh, things which are occurring in the nature, like not belongs to the immortal thing or the non-living thing. It is also belong with the living things as well. Like in the physical phenomena or natural phenomena, humans or human activity, other animal activity, all are there. So in the physics, in the branch of science where we study about physics, we study about all, like plants, like some uh, like in plants, you know how the water ascent of sap is going up, how ascent of sap is happening in the plant, where we study about the root pressure, where we think about the capillary action, isn't it? So that capillary action is physical phenomena. Okay, so in physical world, if I ask you one thing, like physics involves the study of, ऑप्शन है आपके लिए, प्लांट्स, ह्यूमंस, birds and animals, and nature and natural phenomena. What will you respond? The physics involves, physics involves the study of plants, humans, birds and animals, nature and natural phenomena. What will you answer? Yes, nature and natural phenomena. Good. So basically we study about the natural phenomena in the physics. So हमारा first chapter है physical world, where we study about in in a broad detail what are the things which we study under the physics. So as we discussed nature, the meaning of physics, word physics is, physics means nature. and here we study about the natural phenomena. अब natural phenomena large scale पे भी हो सकता है, like gravitation force or thermodynamics, whatever we study later like classical mechanics. The example of macroscopic physics is the classical mechanics, where we study about different forces, friction force or mechanical force. Okay, and the other branch is microscopic physics. So if we study about classical physics, in the classical physics what we study about gravitational force, gravitational, and our electromagnetic forces, gravitational forces, force, electromagnetic force, and other thermodynamics. But in the microscopic physics we study about the interaction between the molecules, like how one molecule is attracting other, like in the quantum physics where the protons, neutrons, electrons are interacting with each other. Those things we study in the quantum physics, or you can say it in the microscopic physics. In the microscopic, like the phenomena which are occurring at very minute level, that we study under the microscopic physics. Microscopic physics. Okay, and nowadays a different branch of physics is there, like which occur in between these, in between macroscopic and microscopic, a different phenomena or the branch of physics where we deal about the mesoscopic physics. About the mesoscopic, the meso means mid, so mid between macro and micro. Okay, where we study about few tens or hundreds of molecules. So this is the branch of physics. Just remember this word, mesoscopic. It deals with a few tens or hundreds of molecules only, not more than that. Like in the microscopic physics, the number of particles is not defined. A large number of particles is acting, like electron or protons or neutrons. Okay, and in the macroscopic physics, like even in the large scale, like forces between the earth and the ball, earth and sun. Yeah. So we have three different part of physics, like mesoscopic, macroscopic, microscopic, and mesoscopic. So these three part is depend on the uh, size, particle size. If the particle size is very large, then it is macroscopic. Like you can think naturally, or you can visualize those phenomena, like ball is going down towards the earth, so we can see it, but electron is interacting with each other, we cannot see. Even the electron is interacting, we cannot see that. So for that, if you want to visualize those things, you have to use different tools, like tools and techniques of physics, like microscope and different kinds of microscope, so that we can analyze or study those phenomena. That is why it is called as microscopic, because micro means what? Do you people know what is a micro size? Like micrometer, what the meaning of micrometer? What will be the micro? What is the value of micro? Anyone? Prince, Harjot, Ankit, anyone? Micro. Value of micro, I am asking. Like for micrometer, for micro, it is 10 to the power minus 6. So if you don't know these things, I'll suggest go and study about milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer. Milli means 10 power minus 3, this is minus 2, this is minus 1, this is 1, 10, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3 is the kilo. It's not kilometer, it's kilo only. Okay, kilo. And even the smaller of this one, like smaller than the milli, it is micro, 10 power minus 6. And here it is more than kilo is mega, 10 to the power 6. So megabyte, gigabyte. So in the computer study we study about the bytes where the megabyte, gigabytes are there. Okay, micro means 10 to the power minus 10, sorry, minus 6. And if you go down, see the scale are larger, and for every step it is multiplied by 10 only. So you have to remember these things. Even these are the school level things, like first time you maybe encounter with these things, like in the 5th or 6th, if I'm correct, about this, not micro and mega, but milli, centi, these things are there. Okay, so because of the scarcity of time we didn't do much today, so I hope tomorrow it won't be the problem. And I'm going to stop here today because time is not allowing us to do anything more. Okay, so come at 8:30. I don't think so at that time we'll have any kind of problem. Okay, thank you for watching me, and come at 8:30 am. Thank you.